Costco Wholesale Corporation, a leading global retailer known for its membership-only warehouse clubs found in 1983. Now this will become the largest and successful retail companies in the world. You can easily understand with the help of these graphs net sale year to year. James Sinegal and Jeffrey Brotman are the founders of Costco. On September 15, 1983, first Costco's warehouse opened in Seattle. At FedMart, Sinegal started wholesale distribution by working for Sol Price, and another side Brotman also involved in retail distribution from an early age. At that time, small business were given 8 or 9% discount on inventories, so he began his retail involvement as a grocery bagger. Later, second store opened in Portland and then in Spokane. And in 1985, they have totally 17 warehouse and 1950 employees nationally. In 1993, Costco decided to merge with Price Club. Price Club. It was a pioneer in the warehouse club industry, which was founded by Sol Price and his son and Robert Price in 1976 in California. The main focus of behind this company to offering membership to small business and later to broader consumer base. In simple words, company has to sell the products in bulk at lower rates. And the name given to company was Price Costco. After merging, both companies shared a similar business model and target market, making the merger a strategic fit. But how Costco compete with Walmart and others, and how they made their position in the market. Membership model. Costco operates on a membership model only means charging annual fees. This provides a steady stream of revenue regardless of sales fluctuations. Low operating cost. Costco provides their services in very fewer locations and it has very large warehouse and minimalistic store layouts. Bulk sale. Costco sells products in bulk which reduces packaging and handling cost. This also helps small business who are looking for cost savings, increasing overall sales volume. Private label products. Costco private label Kirkland Signatures offers high quality products at lower prices than national brands, and this will result become higher in profit margins. Limited product selections. Costco offer limited products as compared to Walmart because it will reduce overhead cost and allows for better negotiations with suppliers for bulk purchasing discounts. Bulking buying power. Costco ability to purchase in large quantities allow it to negotiate better prices with suppliers. These savings are often passed on to customers and driving more sales.